Bitcoin is so boring right now, guys. It is acting more stable than USDC stablecoin. It's actually crazy, but this is also a great prediction for a lot of volatility, because the longer Bitcoin moves sideways and the less volatility we see, the more energy is going to come sooner or later. It's like a cooking pot. The more pressure at one time, it basically will explode. And that is what will happen very, very soon. I actually would expect it to happen this week already, but we might see it tomorrow evening, or we see it next week, a little bit later than expected, but it will come. That is a certainty, guys. Bitcoin ain't boring, and for sure that big move will come. And actually crazy, because yesterday, as you guys know, I'm really into time cycles. I really analyze time very much into the Bitcoin price action, and I've said yesterday that most likely we have seen a short-term low right in the Bitcoin price based on this 3-day and 16-hour cycle, which is actually quite crazy, right? Because we're looking at the 60-day cycle, we're looking at 4-year cycles, but we can also look at the cycles within the price. But so far, Bitcoin actually formed a low, and this was actually a scalp. I've traded it. I made some profits on that. Already took profits because I took that trade based on a scalp. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you with what I've said yesterday. Then, guys, if you like this video, give me some drums. It is very important that you drop a thumbs up button, because every thumbs up that you guys drop on this video is also providing energy for this channel to become less like a stablecoin. We want this channel to pop as well, so a lot of people can get this information that I'm bringing. And to put that pressure on YouTube, we gotta push up those likes, drop a comment down below, and then sooner or later it will explode, similar as the Bitcoin price. Let's see what is going to explode early, okay? Then, guys, I want to bring actually something to your attention, which is a very beautiful thing, and that is the premium index right here. The premium index is a crazy indicator. I found this indicator by myself. I'm using this to spot reversals. It is a alert over on WhaleAlerts, and I'm going to show you as a scalper how you can use this, how you can make profits like I did in the past couple of days. Well, let's have a look at this signal right here. This was on the 6th of April at 1 o'clock. It stays 1 o'clock. We got an extreme reading, massive rig to the downside. And what happened in the price basically at 6th of April at 1 o'clock? That is right here. You can see this green candle, right? The price actually afterwards went up, which means that we've seen a reversal. But there is an even more crazier thing right here, is that this chart right now is on the hourly, so it will show the hour chart right here. But if you were to go, if you would receive this signal on the minute time frame, which right now is not visible anymore as the minute chart is not that long, right? We cannot scroll back in that minute chart. It was at 12:39 when that signal flashed. How do I know that? Because in the Telegram channel on WhaleAlerts, you get that signal. Here you can see the premium index hit an extreme value of minus 0.2%. This alert may signal a reversal. Then let's go back to Bitcoin, and we go to the, let's go to the 5-minute chart, and we go to the 6th of April. Where is that? That is right here. And we go to 12:39 right here, 12:39. So as you can see, guys, that was exactly when Bitcoin tapped into this resistance, or actually into this support. So once we tapped, Bitcoin came down, tack, 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 tack. Once we tap that support and we have that wick, and I know that wick creates that divergence. That's the whole reason why I created this indicator, how I found it. That wick showed us like in the premium index, because the premium index is the difference between spot price and the price of contracts. There was a big divergence. We got that signal, we touched into support, and that was a moment you could long. And if you wanted to be more sure to open a long position right here, if you want to get even more signals, which makes it more safer for you to trade, you should check the funding rates. because the funding rates at the 6th of April right here was coming down, so they were not completely positive. And right now, as we are on a bull market and a very bullish trend, when the funding rates are coming down, it's already bullish. So when this is coming down, it's already bullish. Bitcoin's price goes up during these times when funding comes down. So this is an extra signal that you could use, and then eventually Bitcoin went up. And of course, this is a very short-term time frame, but it went up 1.5%. Right, if you do a 10x, I did a 10x trade on this one. You made approximately 10% profits. I also made a 10x, a 10x trade over from these lows till here, approximately. Got a 10%. This is just a short-term scalp, but this is actually the power that I want to share with you about the charts that whaleportal is offering. And if you are not using these charts, guide, I have to say you're really missing out. And if you don't understand how the charts works, that's fine, because they are not easy to read. You have to invest some time, right? You got to invest some time into these charts, but luckily for you, I've made tutorials over on the whaleportal YouTube channel. I've made articles over on the whaleportal website where you can read exactly how you can use every single chart. We even have like a question mark right here, which is explaining to you very small what this chart basically is telling us. So guys, I really think this is going to be the edge between regular traders and profitable traders. That are the ones that are using whaleportal, that are using derivatives exchange data. Because by using derivatives exchange data, you can get so much more information. You can be so much more confident about a certain trade than when you just look at the price. Right, so for example, if you would just look at the price right here, you go to the 1 hour and you see the price coming down, tapping into that support, you can also think like, okay, maybe it will break, right? Maybe it will break. But if we were to have a look at the derivatives exchange data, you can actually see like, okay, most likely not. So it is worth to take that long. Stop loss below if we still do break it in a rare case, which is possible. You will never be 100% right of the time. Then that's fine, right? Small loss, but bigger gain. Do that 10 times and you are profitable. So this is just what I want to share with you guys, the power of whaleportal. It is such a tremendous trading dashboard, and it can help so much people to get that last edge of becoming profitable, right? You gotta have your emotions under control, you gotta have discipline, but you also gotta have the right information to make the right decisions, and that right information you get on whaleportal, which I just think is a beautiful dashboard. All my trading experience is in this dashboard. I've been trading since 2016, and yeah, I'm actually very proud of what we have so far. And this is just the start, because more and more will come. If you like to get these signals over from the premium index as a notification on your phone, that is possible. For free, actually. You only have to join WhaleAlerts, and by joining WhaleAlerts, you can do so by signing up on Bybit with the affiliate link down below this video. If you are living in the United States and you cannot sign up on Bybit, you can also join using the bitget exchange. But if you want to use the bitget exchange, you have to go to exchanges over on whaleportal.com, click on bitget, click on view, and you can visit bitget right here. Once you signed up, you can submit your user ID over on the WhaleAlerts page, and I will add you to the Telegram channel. This is just if you want to get these extra signals, if you want to get that extra information during the coming bull market about altcoins, about when to take profits. I recently made a video with all my trading secrets, including how you might use planetary movements, how I'm using time cycles into my analysis, and so on. And this information is all available on WhaleAlerts too. But you don't have to join. You can also just use the charts over on whaleportal.com. This data, this information is all for free. All for free for you, built by traders, for traders. So yeah, guys, I hope you can really appreciate that. If so, make sure to smash that like button, because we really want to create that volatility that we are seeing in Bitcoin, a potential breakout to the upside. We want to get that right now on the channel as well. Okay, guys, so that's only possible with your engagement. So therefore, it's very much appreciated for every single like and every single comment that you guys drop. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. So far on Bitcoin, we're still waiting for a breakout, right? We're still in the sideways range. We're actually also still in the triangle formation that we are watching. Triangle formation on the relative strength index. Triangle formation in the price. So we're still waiting for a breakout. I'm expecting a breakout to come early next week or Sunday evening. But the latest that breakout can come, maybe, Tuesday the 18th of April. So just something to watch. These are the structures that I'm watching in the Bitcoin price. Make sure to use whaleportal, and if you are interested in joining WhaleAlerts for free just by being an active trader, join bybit with the affiliate link down below. If you already have an account, just create a new account. I would say you can get a deposit bonus up to $30,000. Also, for the ones that sign up on bitget, the next people that sign up, they still will get that extra 10% deposit bonus on top of the regular deposit bonus. So if you would deposit $1,000, you directly get a $100 deposit bonus, which you can use for trading, buying altcoins, whatever you want to do with that, next to the regular bonus. So that's actually quite nice. That's only for the ones that sign up through whaleportal, because bitget and whaleportal have a partnership, like they also announced on their website, which is actually great. Bitget has been a great supporter of whaleportal. They love the project, and yeah, we get a lot of support from them, which is nice. Guys, thank you all for watching. I wish you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.